All right, what's up, guys? I just got the car back like 2 days ago, and I took it to a place to get the Valvetronics welded on, and they're sick. But when you first install them, I'm doing the vacuum wiring myself, so that's what I'm about to start working on. Okay, you have this box. Gonna guess that that's the antenna. This goes into the vacuum line thing, and that goes into the connection for the cigarette lighter. And this splits the vacuum hoses into two. And then you have your remote and stuff. Yeah, here the vacuum, well, it's one singular vacuum line. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run the vacuum lines down through here. So they're gonna split right up in here somewhere and run down. Got the first side running through here. It's coming out somewhere. Yeah, right around there. So I'm just gonna run this up to here. Okay, one last thing that I just did that I'm kind of stupid for is don't just go up from the top, because when you pull it tight, you don't want your rubber around the bottom because it'll get caught probably. So run it up through the top and then put it in. Well, it would be this way. Run it up through this way first, at least over the muffler, so that it comes down. Okay, the first side is done. Let me see if I can get my foot. Okay, you can kind of see it. Runs down this way. It's not touching any metal, which is good, I think. Let me check. Yeah, no, it's not. As long as it's tight. That runs up through the back, and I cut it right there. So next I'm gonna put this in that one. Okay, yeah, so I just poked a hole in the side. It's actually still pretty tight. There's still tension like coming from this thing, so hopefully it'll maintain whatever it was doing. All right, let's see where this one came out. Okay, same spot, and we'll just do the exact same thing, making sure we put the wire over the muffler so it doesn't have to wrap around and touch it. I just filmed the whole thing without actually filming it because I hit the volume button. This is what it should be looking like. Okay, so I did actually end up zip tying it just to hold the vacuum line to this exhaust mount thing, whatever it is, just so I could hold it up. I just don't want it getting hot and melting on the exhaust, so that should work. I'm gonna cut the tag end in a second. I didn't do it tight at all. I'm not gonna go in there and reach and touch it, but I didn't do it tight because this is air, right? So you don't want to block it off because then air won't go through. But just enough to hold it in place. All right, so just put the hole in that one. Go ahead and that's tight, so I can put this in. Well, I'll do this with two hands. Never mind, that's in. Nice. I'm gonna cut this right about here. Connect the two, this, and then I'm gonna run this one. I guess I'll run it up this side. Yeah, I'll run it up this side because there's no dyno mat on this side. So yeah, I'll just leave this kind of hanging around, like in the corner or something, just until I can cut this box out, but I really want to see what it sounds like. So yeah. Okay, so up here, so I got this and there, which goes down under the seat, in between this, inside the seat belt, and back into the back. These are my sub wires. I'm gonna be taking them out. Okay, I just fought with this for a little bit, but I got the triangle thingy hooked up. Lines go through to here. Shows green. There's the antenna. Don't tighten it down too hard, or this will, the washer nut thing will pop off because there's a snap washer on there, and you have to like fight to get it back on. So yeah, the line runs up through. I just tested it. And it looks like we're open. So let's see what it sounds like. I haven't heard it yet. That sounds good. Sounds really good. All right, let's check this. Yo, that's so sick. I love it. I love it. All right, I'll do some comparison stuff in just a second. I gotta set my phone up. Okay, so first I'm gonna do it with valves closed. It's actually really quiet, and I love that because it's not obnoxious. So, all right, I'm gonna give it a couple revs. Obviously I'm on the first idle tune right now. I still got to tune this thing. That's why it tries to stall out. But here's the open. Okay, I keep forgetting to film outro videos, but basically, as you saw in the beginning, I wrote like a text that said that they have now broken in, and I also got a tune that's a lot better, so they sound crazy. I'm just gonna show again the fabrication kind of deal. Maybe this will help a little more on both sides. I don't know if I can't really see what I'm filming right now, but hopefully that'll kind of give you an idea. Thanks for watching. If you need anything, like need me to show anything, just comment it, and for the next video, I still got to film another one, just like the final kind of review after the break-in. So I'll be doing flybys and all that sort of stuff as well. But if there's anything specific you guys want me to show or talk about, just let me know, and I'll throw that in there.